Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's enter software information and keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Confirm it, and now let's go back to the general list. Here we have to scroll down again and enter developer options, and scroll down a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates. Let's tap on the switcher to turn it on, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted, so you do not have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting your device so it will be able to apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.